day 2 of 2016 harvest vlog. It's the 19th of July and it's been a scorcher today. I understand that Herschel, which is a town about 6 miles away from here, was about the hottest place in the country today. I think we were measuring up to about 33 degrees at one stage in the afternoon, so it's been fairly warm and hot work today, but the machinery is all going well, which is good to know, because on some days when it can get that hot we get overheating problems. Fortunately the air conditioning for everybody has been working really well too, so we're a happy team. We're up cutting some Cassata winter barley, and this is a field called Conderton Leather. It's quite a heavy field, heavy soil type. I'm just going to get out of the way of the water now. We're going into oilseed rape with this one next, so we're baling the straw off, so we're removing that. That'll get baled in the next couple of days hopefully. That's going to remove the straw habitat for slugs to live in, and hopefully reduce the pest problem that way. It's all part of an integrated farm management approach where can we reduce the amount of molluscicides or slug pellets that we have to use by removing one of the environmental features which encourages their growth, breeding and feeding. So this is where we're going at the moment. I say it's Cassata, hopefully it's going to be malting. At the moment bushel weights or specific weights are hovering around the 60, so the quality or the boldness of the grain is not particularly good, and we're hearing that from all parts of the country at the moment. We think that's partly due to the lack of sunshine during grain fill, which would have been June, for these early crops. So fingers crossed this late bit of sunshine that we're getting now might just be able to help finish off and ripen some of the wheat and the peas and the spring barley rather than killing it off, but time will tell. We've got a long way to go, but that's day 2, and come back and see how we progress through the winter barley harvest.